Let's have a look at placing flow dependent devices. We'll go to the pump discharge and route a line. And valves, let's place a check valve. There is no size on that line, so there is no size on the annotation as yet, but it's been allocated a tag and annotation. If we use schematic line edit to reverse the flow of that line, reverse flow, we can see that the flow dependent device reverses orientation. I can click reverse flow again, or I can undo. Now let's just have a look in project setup where the property to nominate flow dependency is located. P&ID drawing settings, P&ID class definitions, engineering items, inline assets. Now, inline assets can have flow dependency, and in hand valves we have a property has flow direction. Now the parent class hand valves is set to false, but when you drill into a specific valve such as a check valve, you can see that that has flow direction has been toggled to true.